In the ever-evolving world of photography, 360-degree cameras are taking industry by storm. They offer a comprehensive view of the world, capturing everything around, above, and below the lens. As we move into 2023, the market for these innovative devices is booming, with a plethora of impressive models designed to suit a variety of needs. Whether you're a professional content creator seeking to add depth to your portfolio, or an adventure enthusiast aiming to capture your exploits in immersive detail, there's a 360-degree camera for you. With the ability to create interactive panoramas, virtual tours, and full HD video, these cameras are revolutionizing the way we document our experiences. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 5 best 360 cameras to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 5. KanDao QooCam 8K. Numbers never tell the whole story, but 8K is a seriously impressive figure in a consumer 360 camera spec sheet. QooCam's 360 heavyweight outguns all of the competition on resolution, with a pair of 20-megapixel CMOS sensors that work together to capture 8K footage at 30 FPS and 4K video at up to 200 FPS. Not only can it create VR-grade video out of the box, but it's also the first non-pro model from which 360 footage can be cropped down to widescreen format without a big drop in resolution. It packs impressive super steady image stabilization too. For creative control, the QooCam allows you to frame shots using a large 2.4-inch color touchscreen display or directly from your smartphone via Wi-Fi. As a bonus, it is bundled with plenty of freebies, including a 64GB micro SDXC card, adjustable selfie stick, bag, USB Type-C to HDMI 3.1 cable, and a USB-C adapter to name a few, rounding up a solid all-round package. Number 4. RICOH THETA Z1. One of the issues with 360 cameras is that, because of their relatively small sensor size, they're not that great when it comes to low-light photography and videos. If you need a 360 camera for that purpose, and price is no object, then you should consider the RICOH THETA Z1. This well-built device uses two 1-inch backside illuminated CMOS sensors, which helps deliver some of the best images we've seen from a 360 camera, especially under less than ideal conditions. Additionally, the THETA Z1 has dual microphones, which delivered great audio, and the camera's motion stabilization was pretty effective too. The Z1 uses an Android-based operating system, and RICOH is letting third-party developers create plugins for the camera, increasing its functionality. The camera offers a range of shooting modes and settings that allow for lots of creative control. That includes a selectable aperture from f2.1, f3.5, and f5.6 for greater control of depth of field. It supports RAW file format for enhanced editing of the 23-megapixel photos, and the dual microphones result in quality audio. Number 3. GoPro MAX. GoPro is a pioneer of action cameras, and their 360-degree camera, the GoPro MAX, is our favorite camera from the brand. Its ruggedness, high-resolution 16.6 megapixel images, ability to shoot in multiple resolutions, and stunning 5.6K video and slow motion capabilities make it a perfect choice for recording adventures. If you want more than just shooting video, this is one camera that's hard to beat. It has other impressive features, including voice control and hyper-smooth stabilization that allows you to capture stable videos in any conditions, even if it's dark or windy. The camera is also capable of capturing amazing 270-degree panoramic photos with a selection of 4 digital lenses and live stream directly from the device, while the 6-mic array offers you the audio quality your videos deserve. The GoPro MAX is one of the best models in its class, with high-end waterproofing and a number of built-in features that make it a serious contender in the 360-degree space. This 360 camera is worth its price. Number 2. Insta360 ONE RS. This amazing and compact camera offers several excellent features and gives a user a full 360-degree immersive experience. It is well designed and functions exceptionally well both for on-ground adventures and even in underwater conditions. The image and video quality are excellent on this camera. The video resolution is stunning at 6K, while the image resolution is very impressive, delivering 21 megapixels power. It offers some excellent advanced features, including excellent low-light shooting functions. Powered by dual 1-inch sensors, the image quality in low-light scenes is nothing short of amazing. The flow state stabilization system is also noteworthy. The best thing about Insta360 ONE RS is its advanced imaging processing capability. It is remarkable at producing exceptionally high-quality images and videos. It has an artificial intelligence-powered processing system that delivers clear and crisp imagery. Number 1. Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 is an advanced 5.7K 360-degree action camera featuring 2 cameras, one at the front and one at the rear, allowing users to capture every single angle of their adventures. With its large half-inch 48-megapixel sensors, it delivers outstanding video quality, even in low-light conditions. The Insta360 X3 allows users to take 72-megapixel 360-degree photos and supports active HDR technology, ensuring your memories are captured in the highest detail. This camera comes packed with a multitude of shooting modes, featuring a screen on the front end for easy framing and navigation. Powered by flow state stabilization technology and a 360-degree horizon lock, your videos will have professional-level stability. The time-lapse mode supports 8K video quality, and the enhanced bullet time mode provides a cinematic touch with higher resolution and frame rates. Designed for versatility, the Insta360 X3 doubles as a dash cam and comes with an IPX8 rating for waterproofing up to 33 feet. Its rugged build ensures protection from the elements. Controlling the camera is a breeze with the all-new Voice Control 2.0 technology. Users can transfer videos to their smartphones seamlessly with the Insta360 app, while the AI-enhanced autoframe technology makes post-production editing a breeze. Finally, the audio experience is unparalleled, ensuring every moment is captured with clarity. Dive into a new dimension of videography with the Insta360 X3. The best 360 cameras let you capture every angle of life's moments to create an immersive photo or video experience. The technology splices together images taken with 2 extreme fisheye lenses. While it requires extra editing to create a cohesive image, 360 cameras provide a unique look at life you can keep for yourself or share with an audience. Content creators, real estate agents, and adventurers are among those who have taken advantage of this technology. The best 360 cameras are designed for various purposes, but they're also available in different sizes and capabilities, so you can find something that fits your needs perfectly. However, getting the best 360 camera is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.